How YouTube has changed my life with less than 500 subscribers. Hey you, Scrolly May, give your finger a break as well as my retention rate. If you clicked on this video, then I can't obviously tell you the reason, but maybe I can help you out with a little bit of the why by sharing what I have experienced and gained during my journey as a content creator here on YouTube. So, first, full disclaimer, no, I am not yet monetized, but I'm next. I say that because I received my first kind of like trollish comment in one of my videos where the gentleman is saying or basically questioning my authority to be able to talk about monetization on YouTube, saying that because I'm far from getting monetized. And that may be true momentarily, but I'm getting better every day. Like I said, I am a new content creator, and maybe just like you, and you're still thinking about whether you need to start a channel and you're looking for confirmation, I am here to tell you that this is your confirmation. Yes, you should go ahead and start a channel, because every day I am receiving confirmation that I am exactly where I need to be. So we'll get a little into that later. Couple of my stats for you guys that don't know me yet. This is my 23rd day here on YouTube. I believe that out of 23 days, I have posted 22 days. There's maybe one day that I didn't post. Yesterday, I got my video in right under the little squeeze because I didn't want to not post. King Explicit, who has a very encouraging community, you know, that's our mantra, is to keep posting. So I'm going to keep posting. I started my journey on YouTube January 14th, 2025. As of this date, I do have, or the time of recording this video, 368 subscribers, and my highest video has 352 views. I think that that's pretty good for a 23 day, stretch. I didn't have any instant goals. My goal was to see how far I could go in 1 year. So if you have already been following my channel, then you already know, so I apologize for repeating the information. But I just had my birthday yesterday. I wasn't going to start the channel until my birthday, but I went ahead and started way early, and that is where I am today. Now, confirmation. When I am talking about confirmation on whether or not I should have started my channel or whether I should keep posting, like I said, I get encouragement from King Explicit and his community. I am also a part of the Kingdom Builders with Dominique Talks Marketing. But I have also just started to build my own little base of friends and subscribers, and they have literally been, I don't know, just out of the blue. And I know you guys are watching this, so out of the blue, you guys just don't know that God has just been using you guys to just show up and show out in my life. Today, I was touched by Align Tay's Garden. Just a great young lady that is also a new content creator on YouTube, and I was at lunch, and sorry, my voice is going to crack because I'm going to get choked up. I was at lunch, and Tay posted a video. So I clicked on the video, and Tay is giving a shout out to 15 content creators that she is saying, YouTube, y'all need to take notice. And I was just very shocked and surprised and elated and blessed to be recognized as one of those creators on Tay's list. And again, you guys know my girl Cat Doe, that's oh god, Cat Dub, you are my little sweetie, sent to me just from nowhere. I don't care for anybody that hates on Doe Dash. She is still my girl because she inspired me. She truly, truly did. And I don't have any problems with her. She's responded to every one of my comments. So I appreciate you, Doe Dash. So I think in one of my earlier videos, I may have slightly mentioned this is my SOS time. And what I mean by SOS is this is generally my season of sorrow. And it's just because it is the time that I have, unfortunately, in my life experienced the most loss. And that is where God has just allowed for you guys to confirm for me that he's, you know, just going to kind of restore some things that he's going to restore some things that I lost. So, in 2017, my daughter was taken from me, and I lost a part of myself. And I didn't because I had my granddaughter, who's 6 months old at the time, and I was pregnant and newly married. I had to always continue to kind of put on this brave face and keep going. And with that, I kind of gave up a part of myself, and I hadn't been able to get that back. And with starting my channel, I'm starting to just kind of regain some of the confidence back that I lost when I lost my daughter. And then just last year, my mom passed away on February 20th. So I am coming up on the 1-year anniversary of my mom passing. And so it's been a stressful year and a stressful 8 years. And so you guys, the confirmation, like, Kat, you don't even know me, but just the fact that you saw me, or that I'm able to resonate enough to you, my personality, to where you could even tell what drink I like, and that I'm a Moscato girl, that it was just that confirmation from that I needed, because it was, for me, a way that God was kind of speaking to me, and is speaking to me, to tell me that, I haven't forgotten you, and that I am going to just restore you. I'm going to restore what you've lost, and that you have so much more to gain, and that that so I just wanted to say to you guys, thank you for your continued support. Thank you for your encouragement, because you have no idea how much it means to me, that you guys just keep inspiring me and keep encouraging me every day. All of the other new content creators, there is just so many of you guys. Vicky, Dave, Tasha Talks Trucks, Boogie, just all of you guys. You are truly just a blessing, and you are fantastic. So to all of you people that are not my subscribers, but hopefully you are still here, that is what I've gained. I've gained just a piece of myself back. I've gained confidence that I have lacked and not had in a really long time. I am getting my voice back. I'm gaining the ability to speak, and to just know that, because I don't speak perfectly, because I might say a lot, or I might say like a lot, that doesn't mean that the message that I have to share is not being heard, that someone is not being touched by my message. So if we are still at this point and you are still with me, I just wanted to say, go ahead and start your channel, because you never know who might need to hear from you. My name is Tiffany. This is my take. Let's pray I'll upload this video, guys. Be blessed. Have a blessed day. And most of all, do what you can to bless someone else's day.